Hey guys, A with Cali Raised LED, and we want to finally give you the walk around of our 2024 Tacoma. This Tacoma is an SR5 4x4. It's pretty base, got cloth seats, 8-inch screen. It's pretty bare bones, but it wheels super hard. It only has 4 high and 4 low, but it's been able to do pretty much everything we've been doing this weekend. So it's definitely an awesome vehicle. We really enjoy the i4 turbo. It's a really good time. It's super fast on the highway. It's got a lot of power at the 8-speed transmission. It's been really fun to build and hasn't really been bogged down by all these mods and stuff like that. The gas mileage isn't great. That's a obvious Toyota thing, but we're really enjoying it. It's been a ton of fun so far. It's really easy to drive off-road on the highway. We've even towed with it a ton of miles. So let's jump into the build and I'll show you what we got. So first off, what we got, we'll start with wheels, tires, and suspension. The tires are 35 by 12.5 Fury MT2s. So it's one of Fury's mud terrain tires. They're super beefy. They're pretty quiet on the highway. We like them a lot for off-road and on-road use. They stick out pretty wide on the 17-inch 0mm offset Method 703s. Those 703s are in a machined finish, so we didn't get any paint or anything on them. It's just bare metal, which we ended up really liking. It's really complementing the supersonic red on this Tacoma, and it just fits really well. And moving on to suspension, we have about a 3-inch-ish lift from Icon Suspension. We have upper control arms from them, a diff drop, front springs, front shocks, rear shocks, and for the rear springs, we did stock Tundra springs, 3rd-gen Tundra springs in the back there. So that gave us the pretty good level that we wanted with the truck, and we're really pleased with how it came out. All right, so for the Cali Raised armor that we've done so far, we've done a ton of mods to this truck. So starting off with our front bumper, this is a low profile front bumper that's light bar compatible, winch compatible. It's got tow hook spots. It's got, sticks out just enough, but also only cuts to where you're not messing with any sensors up front on higher trim models. So this bumper is compatible with our full skid plate set. So we have a front skid, trans skid, transfer case skid, a gas tank skid, and lower control arm skids. So all of those will be in aluminum, steel, powder coat, or raw. So you have a couple of different options there you can run with. Moving on to the rock sliders, we have the Step Edition 0-degree rock sliders. They're powder coated with a filler plate and a kick out as well. They've been really well on the trails this weekend. We've banged them up a few times already, and they've helped the vehicle stay protected from a bunch of different boulders and rocks that we've revved up against. So we're really happy with how those came out. We also have those in Trail Edition, so that's a 20-degree angle. So if you don't like the step, got another option for you there. So up front here, we have our new fog lights. These come in amber or clear. So they're a plug-and-play system with H11 plug. And then also we have our hidden low pro light bar. You can actually stack 2 light bars in here with Tacomas that don't have the 360 camera. So you have a ton of light back here. It's pretty hidden back there. So if that's something you want to start out with and you don't have a roof rack or something like that, that's definitely an easy one to add on there. And on our ditch light, we have the side projecting pods. They're really great on the trail. It helps fill in that side area a little bit more than something that's projecting just straight out. So we're really pleased with those. They're a great set to pick up. On the top there, we have our famous dual function light bar. It's got a white and amber on the ends there, so you can choose either one or do them at the same time. It gives you multiple uses, and it looks really great on the trails. So moving up to the top there, we have our premium roof rack for the Tacoma. It's got 360 lighting kit, the dual function up front, adjustable wind fairing, and some stuff on top. We have a 180-degree overland vehicle systems awning on it, another overland vehicle systems case on top of it that we have our OVS case mounts as well. We also have some max tracks up top, so we can get out of some dirty situations, and that is with our Max Tracks roof rack mounts that we just came out with. So be on the lookout for those, and we'll go towards the back a little bit. So on the back end in the bed of the Tacoma, we have our tall bed rack on it. That's currently our tallest bed rack that we're offering. Might get a little taller one here in the future, you never know. We also have a OVS tent up there. It's been really great for one person or multiple people up there. On the sides, we have some Max Tracks, high lift jack. We have our Rotopacks back there as well. These are securely mounted with our Cali Raised mounting system, so you can get online. Also in the bed of the Tacoma, we have our bed molly system. So we have bed panels all around the inside of the bed there to mount pretty much whatever we need to. Currently, we have a 35-inch spare tire back there that's mounted just with some ratchet straps. So super easy way to get some stuff mounted back there, not rolling around in the bed. We also have our bed stiffeners. So when you're putting a bunch of weight on the bed, your bed stiffeners help keep that bed straight after a long period of time. Finally, moving to the inside here, we have a couple things here. We have our Toyota Tacoma dash mount. We have it for the 8-inch screen and the 14-inch screen that just utilizes a T-track there. So we can put some tack phone mounts, tablet mounts, whatever you're thinking there. We also have door skins from Taco Vinyl. These door skins give our inside of our Tacoma a little pop. We've got that Cali Raised green on the inside. That's pretty much most of what we got on the build. We're super excited to launch all of this stuff into production. Most of it already is, so if you ever find anything or see anything you like on this truck, comment down in the comments there and let us know what you want to see on the truck, what you want us to come out with for the truck. If you guys have any other additional asks or anything like that, just let us know. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this video and our channel, and we'll see you on the next build.